Hello guys, in today's video I'll make an other model preview, and today it will be this Trumpeter Pack 44, and it is in 1/35 scale. And as you can see, I'm still not at my workbench but in my hotel room, and I'm still in Krakow. In a minute I will start the preview. I just want to tell you guys that my camera boy escaped caps for the wheels. I need to film everything my own, so it will be a bit difficult to film, but I'll try to do everything good. So, this is the kit. As I said, it is Trumpeter 1/35 scale, pack 44, 128 centimeter, and this is a German anti-tank gun used in World War II. First, I will just say you what I will do with this one, because that is a part of a special project on my channel. If you didn't want to listen about it, just skip a few seconds and then I will start with a preview, but right now I'll just tell you what I will do. So, as you can see, this is a pretty huge tanky gun, and longer subscribing people know that I'm making a mouse. And that will be not a normal mouse, but a jagdmaus, and that will be actually a jagdtiger together with a mouse. And I think it will look nice, but I needed a gun, and this is the exact gun that I wanted. A pack 44, a very big anti-tank gun, and I will place it on my mouse. I think it will look nice. So it is a part of a huge project. I will try to cast this one and make two of these, and then place two of these guns in my jagdmaus, but casting is very difficult for me, so maybe it will be just one gun on this tank, but still it looks nice. So right now I start with the preview itself. First I will look at the front of the box. I think the title is very nice. Also, we get a few basic informations like the dimensions and the parts. From the box, you can already see that this gun is huge. 30 centimeters or even more, 32 centimeters long, and more than 8 centimeters wide, so pretty huge. The box art is also very nice. I think the painter of this box art did a very nice job. This gun looks very realistic. Also, all these soldiers, it looks very nice. I hope the gun will look like this on the end. Here we just get a few more informations. So this is the front. On the sides here you get a few more informations. Also a few informations like slide molded pieces and photo etch parts, and by the way, that are a lot of photo etch parts. On the sides we get basically the same as on the front, and on this side we get the gun and a few more informations, and that this kit is made in China. The back is white, and also one more thing that I need to tell you is the price, and I bought it for 130 zlotych, which is somewhere around 30 euros. It's pretty expensive to my project because my mouse costed 50 euros, over 50 euros, and also this gun, and I need to buy a few more things, so my mouse will cost over 100 euros, but still I think it's pretty cheap for a kit with more than 300 parts and photo etch pieces. So right now I'll open the box. And it is pretty difficult to do with one hand. I need to stop. So I opened it. The front comes off pretty easily with two hands. With one hand it is a bit difficult. On the inside we get nothing. And I really like boxes that open like this, because nothing can get lost. If the box is opened with the side, many pieces can escape, but when it is opened like this, nothing will ever escape. From the Sprues, I can already see that they are in plastic bags, and I really like to have Sprues in plastic bags. And in the most of plastic bags we get one sprue, which is also very nice. And you are maybe thinking why? It is just because the sprues will not get damaged, because if they will be not in bags and they will be laying on each other, then they can be a few pieces that will break off and maybe get lost. But luckily this box is opened like this, as I said, but still it is very nice. And also they will not get scratched even if someone in the shop decides to open it, that is very nice. So the sprues, I will look at them in a moment. First I will look at the building instructions and a few more things. So we got a lot of sprues, which is very nice. One more sprue, and here we get the photo edge parts. I think this is the frontal armor, and it is just nice. Also pretty thick. You cannot see it so good on my phone, but it is very thick. Also heavy. Here are a few more smaller photo etched details. I really like it. This is something very nice. And before I move further, I just want to tell you that my brothers are here, so sorry for them, but right now I can move further, and here we get the painting instructions. I really like kits that have a painting instruction in color. Many of kids just have them in black and white in the instructions, but this is very nice. Also we get here the colors from a few brands like Mr. Hobby, Vallejo, Model Master, Tamiya and Humbrol. I think it's very nice. And we have one painting here and also one painting here. There is not too much different, only this brown thing here. So here we get the building instructions. Here we get the title and the gun. It looks very nice. A few more informations, just like on every instructions. They are also pretty huge, A4 paper. When you open them, you get all the sprues, what is a lot, and the instructions they solve. Here a few steps. I will just show you all the pages slowly, that you can see how it is. It is a bit a mess, but yeah, I'm sure no beginner will start with this kit, so for experienced modelers it will be not a huge problem. But when you want it as a beginner, it will be a bit difficult to read for you. So that can be a bit difficult for beginners. Here the next few steps. There are a lot of steps and parts in this kit, so the instructions are also pretty thick. I mean, I had thicker instructions, but they are still pretty thick. In some kits you just get one page. A few more steps. Here a few even more steps. It is a mess, but yeah, if you will take some time, it will be I think nice to read. it will just take you a bit of time to get used to this mess, but it is not a huge problem. And on the end, the gun will look huge, I'm pretty sure. Here a few more things to do, and basically you will be done here. The instructions have 16 pages and 18 steps, what is not so much. I mean, if you compare it to Revel kits, in some Revel kits you get like 80 steps, but here you also get a lot of things in one step. Like this whole page is one step and you need to do a few thousand things. And here you also get the decals. You cannot see them well, but I didn't want to take them out this bag, because then there will be dust getting on them and it will be not nice. So also for you guys, if you have some decals in the kit in a bag, don't open them until you want to apply them on the tank. Just do not get dust on them, or place them in another bag and try to keep them away from dust. But they are pretty nice, they aren't thick. And here we are coming close to the sprues, and we got a lot of them. 4 of these, one of these, one of these, one of these, also one of these, and 2 of these. So I will open them up, or maybe even not, because you can see everything through the bag. So here we get the frontal armor and the gun barrel. I think I wouldn't open them because you can see everything nice, and if I open them they will only get scratched, and I'm still in the hotel room, so I need to move a few times until I get to the place where I want to assemble this kit. But you can see a lot of details. Also the gun barrel is huge. It's a bit bigger than my hand. No, same width as my hand. So this sprue is pretty nice. Here we get the next sprue. It is with 3 wheels, actually 6, because we get 2 sprues here, a few more parts. Everything is very nice, also a lot of details. Only I don't understand all this space here that is left. The other side looks also pretty nice, so this sprue is very nice. Here we got another sprue. I think this is the bottom part of the construction, and a few more pieces from the construction. Also a lot of rivet details and stuff like that. Everything is very nice. Here we got another sprue with a few more things. It is pretty nice. I think this is the part where you need to place the rounds, and this is to close it. Also we get a few shovels, a pickaxe and stuff like that. In this sprue we get a few more very small pieces and our muzzle brake, and it is slide molded and it has a lot of details, what is very nice. I'm sure in a lot of kits you will just get one cylinder and no of these holes, but that is very nice. Normally you should buy a metal muzzle brake, but this one is very nice, so you didn't need to buy a metal one. And here we got 4 of these sprues. That are some wheels to rotate the gun, a few of these are circles to put on the wheels, and a few more details like rivets and stuff like that. And here I have the last bag, and this is the part of the construction, and also this one piece. They have a lot of details, what is very nice. Yeah, This kit is overall pretty nice with details, and the plastic is also good quality. So this is very nice. So finally we came to the end. This kit is pretty nice. Right now I'll give you the rating of this kit. So from the box I give 10 out of 10. It is very nice box art. It opens also nice. The sprues I give also 10 out of 10. They are nicely packed and they have a lot of details. The photo edge parts I also give them 10 out of 10. They look nice, even though I have not assembled them yet. But from the first look they look nice. The price, it is a bit expensive, 30 euros, somewhere around that. So if it was a bit cheaper, like 20 euros, I will really like this kit. But it is a bit too expensive, so I give it a 6 out of 10. And yeah, it is, I think, everything that I can give of rating. Also the instructions, I give the instructions 8 out of 10. They are a mess, but they are not so bad. And also the painting instructions, I give it 10 out of 10. Not many kids have some extra paper with painting instructions, and also in color. Many kids have just black and white. So this is very nice in this kit. So overall, I think this kit deserves an 8.5 out of 10. So yeah, this is everything about this kit. If you have some tips for me for the jagdmaus, just write me in the comments. And also please check out my channel if you are new, and just look at a few more model previews and model builds, because I have already a few videos. So thanks for watching, and I hope I will see you very soon on another video. Bye!